Hello guys. Yeah, today I want to talk about the use of many applications like social media, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook to make money. Yes, they are very important at this moment, you know, understand, because everything you need in the life has to go online in any which way you feel like. Do you understand? Yeah. So at this time, the life itself has made us to believe that everything is possible. So YouTube has not even given you a chance of, you understand, putting your products online or putting yourself online. Of course, yourself is a product. Yeah. So like, they are still paying you for even doing that. Do you understand me? And then I feel like, wow, the world is moving so great. So guys, if you want to also be among these people that are making money from all these things, all these files and all these videos and pictures people are putting up online, bro, just look at what you're good at and what you're doing at that moment, and then start doing it. Start putting it on Instagram, putting it on TikTok, putting it on Facebook, and then YouTube. Do you understand me? And most of these apps are even paying. As I'm speaking to you now, I'm sweating, but take this wisdom and forget about my appearance, forget about my looks. You know what I'm saying? Forget about everything around. Like right now, the environment might not be nice, but take my wisdom, bro. Focus on your own gift. Let every other thing be secondary. Like, if you want to, if you don't want to, but make your, in fact, chase a long time goal. Chase it, how do you call it, a long-term business or career or something. Chase that one, because that one can made up every other thing. Don't chase the smaller ones, chase the bigger one. The bigger one will now bring the smaller ones in a very easy way. Yeah. So you see, these applications have made it so easily and so possible for people. Do you understand? You can make money from it. You can also sell yourself as a brand, when brands are calling you for deals, you understand, from Facebook, from YouTube, bro. All those applications, all those social media, don't play with them, bro. Make use of them. Make use of them right now. Activate yourself, put yourself out there, sell yourself till you become more perfect, bro. Believe that you can be perfect. Yes, just believe that you can be perfect, because even the life itself is not perfect. The life is working to get perfection. Do you understand? And that's why we are all moving. So you can be what you think you can be through what you're doing. Yeah. And secondly, becoming great is not just like having money, flashes, and putting it out there. Do you understand? Those are way of life. Do you understand? The greatness is all about the impacts that you are putting out there, and the reality impact that you are putting out there, and it is working in the life of many other people and the environment. That is what really makes you great. Do you understand? I know only, and I know they get pulled like a baba fry you, my eye you, don't cry you, I need to go and shy you. Holy shit, bro. See, you see one thing I really enjoy mostly from Burna Boy music and his lifestyle and everything. It's so awesome, bro. You don't even need to quote me wrong, bro. Let me tell you some shit, bro. Listen to me. Now, Burna Boy can influence you in social life, in habits, in relationship, in enjoyment, in inspiration, in learning, in growing. Everything in one person, bro. That Burna Boy is more than billions of people. Yes. That's why you see him selling out. You watch it. Carries a lot, bro. Inspire you through your music, bro. Lifestyle, bro. See, Burna Boy to get my go free people waiting for prison. That thing really touched me a lot, bro. It has so much feelings. For real. It has so much love for humanity. Those are the real people, bro. Do you understand? But guy, you know what see, bro, man,